Hi, welcome back, a new tutorial. In this video I will show you how to edit VHS aesthetic effect using Lightroom mobile. Here are example photos before and after using this filter. Don't forget subscribe and like. Okay, let's get start editing. First go to lights. Contrast to -100. -45 to highlights. Then shadows to -29. -75 to whites. And blacks to -17. Next select curve adjustment. To reduce the time I will paste the settings here, following these steps. Done. Next step, go to Profile, select Vintage 10. Select checkmark. Select color panel. Increase temperature to 14, and 18 tint. Vibrance to 24. Saturation down to -32. Then select mix adjustment. And select red color, hue to -10. Saturation to 13. And luminance +10. Select orange color, saturation and luminance to 13. Select yellow, hue to -22. Increase saturation to 30. -6 to luminance. Then select green, hue to -28, decrease saturation to -31. Luminance down to -25. Select cyan, -31 to hue. And saturation -27. Luminance to -13. Then blue, hue to -24, saturation to -26. Luminance down to -20. Then now select purple color, decrease hue to -30, -26 to saturation. And luminance value to -23. At last color, select magenta, -19 to hue and saturation to -22, -14 to luminance. Done. Then select color grading adjustment. Select highlights tone. Set up hue to 298 and saturation to 10. Done. Next step, go to Effects panel. Little down to Texture to -4. Clarity to 19. -23 to dehaze. Increase grain amount to 13. Perfect. Final step, go to details. Bring up sharpening to 5. And noise reduction and color noise reduction to 10. The slider to same amount. Finish. Let's see before and after. Before and after. Now let's try it. Copy this preset to past another photo. Copy settings. Perfect. If you want this preset, you can download the video description from the link. The VHS overlay edit in PicsArt application. Open a photo in PicsArt. Add image, select VHS PNG. Select blend mode to screen and light. Done, save it. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.